We go to other news now. Tragedy struck along the Belmont main road in Westmoreland Sunday night, leaving a motorcyclist dead and an individual who was traveling with him nursing injuries after. Romardo Lyons has our story.
A father helping his son with the assistance of passers-by after a collision along the Belmont main road in Westmoreland Sunday night. The other individual involved in the accident, 20-year-old Teran Myrie, succumbed to his injuries. Here, police rushing with him to hospital. The news left his father, Teran Myrie, stunned.
Just when my cousin go in my bed, my cousin just go call me and tell me my son would scratch and dead off a bike. So the vehicle hit him off also. So I don't know how we come. Just don't know how we come. And that's right now I'm stressed over the began talk.
When he got the call, he rushed to the scene. But his son, the second of four, was already gone.
I think it's the one red for me go there. I go there. Me not see. Then gone with him already. Yeah, when he shot me up one way, because my son, Yeah, so he shot me up one way, but otherwise, for that, you have to have people who can cheer up on this. So, kind of go on. I heard him yesterday, because he had a hurt.
TVJ News understands that around 11 p.m. Sunday, the two men were traveling towards White House when their motorcycle crashed into a black Mitsubishi SUV traveling in the opposite lane. Both men were traveling on one motorcycle. The men were thrown from the motorcycle, one over the seawall. Mr. Myrie was transported to the Savannah Lamar Hospital by police, while the other motorist was taken to hospital by motorists who were returning from the People's National Party mass rally in Sam Sharp Square. One eyewitness complained about the length of time it took for an ambulance to reach the scene.
The two guys like in this van. When we got here, the Bluffis police were here. Then take up the one where they said died. Leave. They said then call the ambulance. Operator no ambulance. See? After how many hours? After approximately 2 hours, ambulance just a come. So this is stupidness. This is stupidness. You understand me? This is so stupid.
He praised the police for assisting with the survivor.
Thanks to some of my police, then come and they assist, so then go with him. The Bluffis police said nobody must touch him. There's so many vehicles here we could carry him. And the police them said nobody must take him up. So the people them just decide say no, enough is enough, my bleed out too much. So then put him on a plyboard, put him in the police vehicle. Thanks to Savannah police.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.